This case is definitely a Chanel dupe. Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony, and in today's video I'm finally going to be showing you guys a Shein girly iPhone case haul because I recently did get a new phone. It is the iPhone 13 Pro. I had found so many different girly iPhone cases and I'm super excited to show you guys because I've been having this package in my room for the past maybe, just know it's been a while, and I finally had the time to film this. The last iPhone case video that I did was maybe last year or 2 years ago. I'll leave that video down below because I think some of the cases are still available, and I do have a Shein discount code for you guys, which is Symphony15, and I'll just leave it right here on the screen so you guys can get an extra 15% off. It doesn't matter if the case is $1, 50 cents, $5, you guys are gonna get that extra 15% off once you guys use my discount code. Like this video and comment down below if you guys have an iPhone 13 Pro, iPhone 14, waiting to get the newest iPhone 15 or 15 Pro. Like, I can't even keep up at this point. Or if you guys just love watching videos like this, because I know I do. If you guys have not seen me unbox my iPhone 13 Pro, I'll leave that video down below as well because I do show like a lot of different nice accessories. First case I'm gonna actually show you guys is probably one of my favorites out of this whole haul because I know I've been wearing this one the most, and when I first got it I immediately put it on my phone. So this is one of the cases. It's so pretty and pink. I love the quiltedness on it. Oh my gosh, if the camera can focus on it please. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. I love the quilted style on it with the rhinestones, and there's rhinestones right here as well. The sides have rhinestones with gold buttons, same thing on the other side. Then on the bottom of it just looks like this. It's a really nice sturdy case, and this was definitely like under $4. I'll try to leave the prices on the screen. I am going to be trying on all the cases for you guys. And this is how my phone looks with the case on it, and it's just so girly and so cute. Like, honestly, at first the gold was bothering me with the silver because I can be like a little picky like that, but it gives it more of a look, so I honestly don't mind it. Sometimes I do have issues with this part, but it's easy to put back on. Next I have this case, and this case is perfect for the summertime. It's definitely giving me beach vibes, and I love how the, what are these leaves called? Like, I know these aren't like regular leaves, these are like palm tree leaves or something. I love how these are rose gold. It makes it even more cuter, and the case hasn't turned any type of color on me. At first this part was bothering me because I don't like when cases have this. Like, I know this part is beneficial for the camera just in case if you drop your phone. I had gotten used to this case anyway, and I have no regrets getting this at all. This was definitely maybe under $3. I believe all the cases I'm showing you guys in this video are like under $6 for sure, under $5. This is how the case looks on my phone. It's so cute, and it's literally perfect for the summertime. It's giving me beach vibes, travel, tropical. I love this, and honestly I would probably wear this during the fall time too because, like, I don't know, like, I really love how the leaves look, and the quality of this case too is pretty sturdy. It's pretty hard and not too flexible, or not really flexible. I have this really cute and so girly, like probably not as girly as the first one. Well, actually they're both equivalent, but this case is definitely a Chanel dupe because I remember Chanel or something of Chanel like this, but obviously it doesn't have the Chanel logo. So this is the case, and oh my gosh, this case is so cute. This case is like perfect for this whole Barbie theme that's going on lately because of the new Barbie movie coming out. And this case is perfect. Oh my gosh, it's so cute and girly. It's like a little bit flexible now that I'm noticing, but like I don't care. Like, it's the bow and this for me. Like, this is so cute. I have to put this on my phone immediately, like right now, right this second. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, I really need to wear a nice cute girly outfit when I use this case. I don't want to mess up or get the bow dirty. Maybe this case is for special girly occasions. Would I hold it like this? Because I don't want this to break off either. Like, I don't know, like, do I hold it like this? Like, guys, how do I hold this? Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is, what is this? Is this like a ladybug or something? I don't even know. Or this is just a flower design. I really love this part right here. Pretty flexible, not that protective, but you know, with some Shein cases, like, you kind of just have to like be careful with them and just really wear the case for the look, because I hold my phone tight all the time. I make sure she right here, she don't be falling. Ooh, so girly. Oh my gosh, this is why I had to get the white iPhone. And this is why it's like making the cases stand out more. Like, I just really love this. Just imagine taking a picture with this, or if you're a left-handed person, still be cute. Ooh, another one. Okay, I didn't realize that I had like so many of these type of cases, or yeah, cases. Wait, what is this? What's going on? Duh, Symphony, just take the paper out. Tell me why I literally thought this was a hole, like this part, and I was like trying to put my finger through this. This is another iPhone case that I got. I believe this is case number 5 that I'm showing you guys right now. And again, with the rhinestones, with the diamonds, I love all of that, all of it, every single thing, love it. And I think this part is for like when you charge your phone. I'm not 100% sure, because you guys know, like with the latest iPhones, you can wireless charge your phone instead of using the port right here. This is how she looks. And oh my gosh, I just realized the Apple logo's right here. I think this part right here was just for the Apple logo or for wireless charging your phone. This is the case right here, and it does have silver around it, and the bottom looks like this. Top, side, all the details, super cute. Sturdiness, not that well, but you know, we're just here for the looks. This is another one, and I had to get this because not all the time I want something blingy and pink. You know, I love black, because not all the time I want something blingy and pink. I do love having black cases. Black goes with everything, and I had to get this kissy face one. I love how the kisses are shiny, and it's like a shiny black, and the background of it is a matte black. Super cute. And before I even bought my new iPhone, I did have the iPhone 11. I did do an unboxing with that video as well, so I'll try to link that one too. But this is how the iPhone 11 case looks with it, and this is the iPhone 13 Pro case. I just want to show you guys like the difference between these two cases. 13, 11, well 13 Pro, then 11. Oh, that is so nice. Okay, so even though it's matte black everywhere else, it's like shiny right here too, and shiny in the front as well. If I had a black iPhone or the granite iPhone, I would have definitely been wearing this case all the time. I have this rose gold iPhone case, or is it like pink with rose gold or gold with pink? I have no idea. This is the case, so cute. It's not that bad. At first I was regretting it because I don't know, like usually I don't go for cases that have this light tint to them, but it's not bad at all. Like, this part really helps. If it didn't have this, I don't think I would have got this case. Like, it is really cute with this. Love the gold or rose gold that's around it. Another thing that I want to mention about the detail is that it does have that like glittery effect around it as well. Behind the case, it has like this style on it, but right here too, it's like in the trim area. I didn't even realize that until like just now. so that adds a special touch to it. This is another case that I've been wearing a lot lately besides the first one that I shown you guys in this video. This is a cute clear sparkly case. It's not that sparkly, but you can see the sparkles on it still. It's very subtle, and this is only $1 on Shein or 75 cents. It's not that sturdy. As you can see, it was really flexible, but this is how it looks. I don't know if you guys can see that glitter, but it's still cute. Right now this is my background, so it matches perfectly. Next I have this mirrored case, and I'm covering the mirror part because my background is a hot mess and I'm not gonna embarrass myself like that. The rhinestones on it are cute. I already know for a fact this part is gonna get dirty so quick, but you know what, I don't care, it's still cute and I love the rhinestones on it. Then on the sides is just clear, nothing much for real, just a mirror with some pretty rhinestones. Next I have this pink case, and I believe I shown this case in my iPhone unboxing video, but I want to show it on here because it was really cute. And just in case if you guys haven't seen that video, just want to add this in here really quick. But it does have silver buttons, one right here, two over here. The bottom looks like that, top, then the back, then this. Oh yeah, it does have the silver around it right here too. And this is how the case looks on my phone. I love this baby pink color. It's like a pastel pink. The quality of this case is pretty sturdy, and it's kind of hard for me to take this off. Even though it's flexible right here, this part, or like this whole part around it, is still pretty hard. So if it does fall on the side, I believe your phone is gonna be kind of protected with this case. We have a few more cases to go because I did get so many different cases. This case right here is just like the first case that I shown you guys in the beginning of the video, but it is just black and gold. So if you guys are not really into pink like that with that case, then I definitely recommend this case. This is how the case looks on my phone. I'm definitely wearing this case during the fall winter time. It's giving me that vibe. You can wear it now, but for me, I'm like more of a seasonal person. Like once that season hits, I'm trying to enjoy every little thing about that season. So yeah, this is how the case looks. I have this matte black case with this gold bar right here, but it was for my iPhone 11. But let me just show you guys how it looks because they still have it for the iPhone 13 Pro, but I just don't have it yet. It does have this gold detail around it and this gold bar, and it's black or matte black everywhere else. Next I have this pink and gold case, and I love this part right here. And honestly, I wasn't feeling it at first because I don't know, like the quality of it looks but this is the only case that I have that has this pop socket thing, and it's pretty good for your wrist. And I be having issues with my wrist sometimes, like I don't know, she be tripping. I'm just glad I'm able to have this and take pictures like this. And you can just set your phone up like this too. It does have gold around it, and it does like cover like the camera area. Pretty flexible, but this part's kind of like making it not as flexible. It is glued on. This is how the case looks on my phone. I don't think I would go for this case all the time, but it's still nice to have. This case right here that I'm about to show you guys reminds me of Victoria's Secret. So this is how she looks. She is black and pink, and she says secret fact of us. So this is definitely Victoria's Secret inspired, and I love it. So cute. And I believe this one was only $2. Either way, still love it, still nice. I love the shininess around it and on it, and the pink is just matte, kind of giving me Barbie too in a way. Again, a lot of Barbie things been out lately, so I've been Barbie inspired. This is how she looks, and at first I was not gonna get her, but you know, I just had to. It's pink, like pink and black, and it's reminding me of Victoria's Secret, and people were saying in the reviews that it's like a Victoria's Secret dupe. Last but certainly not least, I did get this gold iPhone 13 Pro case. Like, it's gold. Oh my gosh. One thing about me, besides pink, I love me some gold. Like, I love gold so much. Gold has been my favorite color since like 7th grade, so like 12, 13 years old. Like, gold is just so pretty and shiny and rich. You know, I had to get this case. Like, it's so cute, and I'm definitely gonna be wearing this all year round. Doesn't matter what season it is. It's a cute gold trendy iPhone case. It is flexible, but you know what, whatever, it's still cute. It's silver on the inside, but whatever. She is looking beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's giving fierce. Like, this is what this case reminds me of. It reminds me of the word fierce. I believe that they have this case in silver, but I needed to get gold. But yeah, this case is so shiny and nice. That is all the Shein girly iPhone cases that I had got in this video. Let me know in the comments which iPhone case was your favorite, and let me know if you're planning to get some new ones now, because all of them are so cute. You guys at least have to get one of them. I'll leave my iPhone 13 Pro unboxing video in the description box down below, as well as my other Shein girly iPhone case unboxing and my discount code Symphony Taylor to get that extra 15% off. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel to join the Harmony. We're almost at 50K. Like, right now, as I'm filming this video, we are at 41,982 subscribers. So we have a couple thousands more to go until we hit 50, but it'll mean so much to me if you guys will hit that subscribe button. If you guys just love beauty, fashion, lifestyle, pink, rhinestones, anything girly, subscribe and like this video. It'll help me a lot. And of course, click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. Okay, so I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.